To customize your Minecraft skin in 2025, you first need to create or download a skin file and then apply it to your account. You can make or find skins on popular websites like the Skindex, Planet Minecraft, NameMC, or the Tinkerskin editor. These sites let you either browse thousands of community-made skins or design your own from scratch using online editors. In the editor, you can draw directly on the 3D character model using tools like pencils, fill buckets, and erasers, and many editors include features that mirror your changes on both sides of the body or automatically add shading for better detail. When you're finished, download the skin as a PNG file, making sure it's the correct size, usually 64 by 64 or 128 by 128 pixels. To use the skin in Java Edition, open the Minecraft launcher, go to the Skins tab, choose to add a new skin, and upload the PNG file, where you can log into your profile on the official Minecraft website and upload the skin there. Once uploaded, your new skin will appear in-game the next time you play.